Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a very nice accessory that was sent to me by the company called Veeape, and it's their newest 3-in-1 air compressor, portable tire inflator, air pump and air duster. So this is what you get if you order this device. You can use it for your camping, for inflating your car's tires, for inflating mattresses and so on. It's an air compressor. This is the air compressor, perfect for inflating tires of cars, motorcycles and bikes and many sport balls. Then we have another gadget, the air pump. It's suitable for inflating and deflating most of inflatable products like air sleeping pads, air beds, air mattresses, air toys, swimming rings, pool floats, air sofa, pool rafts, vacuum storage bags and so on. So these two heads can be attached to this battery that is also 7500 milliamp hour power bank. This is the port for charging the power bank, and this is the port for charging other devices from this power bank. It's very useful, very slim, very light. That's the most important aspect of this device. It's very light, easy to use, and you can take it everywhere with you if you need a tire inflator, an air pump or a power bank. So this is how you connect the battery. Now it's locked. By one press of this button you can see the level of the battery, and using this button you can turn on and off the air pump. So we have this adapter for blowing up the dust from your car, from your camping site. You can use it to clean your computer and everything that has dust on it. Of course, with this device you can also deflate an air mattress or anything that is inflatable. This is the tire inflator head. Once you lock it in place, this tiny display will show you some info as the type of the tire you want to inflate: car, motorcycle, bike or a sports ball. In theory, this small device can inflate a tire from 0.7 bar to 2.5 bars in around 5 minutes, which is very good. In the package you will also get a manual with some very nice info, very useful info. You will get this hose that can be attached very easy, and it's for inflating a car tire, a motorcycle or a bike tire. And here we have some adapters that can be used to inflate different products, and of course some adapters used to inflate a sport ball or some air mattresses. The product can be ordered from the Amazon site. The company has their own official store, and you can get a discount if you use this code. You also have it in the video description. You can also use the device for drying your hair, making a fire, cleaning your camp. Now let's go out and test this device and see how it performs. I really like that it's so tiny and compact, and you can even carry out with you if you go camping without your car. It's pretty awesome. my video for today, guys. If you like this product, head over to amazon.com to the official Veeape store and be sure to use my code when you make your purchase, or use the link in this video description. Also in the Amazon store you will get other products from this company. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.